Morning everybody. It's the day of the Great Yarmouth motorcycle takeover, so I'm now heading up that way in a roundabout way. I'm heading over to the McDonald's on the outskirts of Swaffham, where I'm meeting up with Skeggy Cruiser, and going to ride in with him, and I think his dad is going on his trike, and there'll probably be a few others come down from that way, so we're all going to ride through together. And yeah, talk of well, according to Facebook, there's going to be close on 5,000 bikes up there, so it'll be busy. So that's where I'm heading today. But yeah, I done the AMRR ride last weekend, the remembrance ride, and had my camera going and sorted it all out, and got home, checked my footage, and my little remote that I've got here on my handlebars had for some reason altered the settings, and that was letting in way too much light. I normally have the settings set on 00, and that's about right, and for some reason that was set on, I think it was +2 or something, but whatever it was doing, it was getting on in too much light. So unfortunately I've not been able to do a video for that, but hey ho, I've checked this one, checked it this time, and yeah, I've got everything right. So I've got a van coming past me now. I'm going to keep my speed down because I'm talking to you guys, but yeah, so anyway, that's the reason I haven't done a video on that ride, which I was really pissed off about. But you know, you can't have everything. I nearly jacked it all in, to be honest, and that was for the missus. She said no, she said you carry on doing it. She said you enjoy doing it, you know, you've got all them subscribers, and today I topped 70, so I'm chuffed to bits about that. So yeah, I'm going to keep going. I know that'll piss some of you off, but there you go. And some of you enjoy what I do, so that's the main reason I do it, because you guys that enjoy what I do is the reason I do it. Plus I enjoy doing it as well. So anyway, I'm going to head up to the Swaffham and see Skeggy, and then we're going to ride through to Great Yarmouth. So we'll see what's happening when we get up that way. Talk to you soon. Right, we're just setting off. I've got Skeggy with me now. He said I can lead, as he's quite happy to follow me. So we're going to head through Great Yarmouth, just follow the 47, and we'll see what happens when we get there. I know one way I want to go, but I think they're just closing the road off and sending you whichever way they want you to go to try and avoid congestion, which is fair comment. So we'll see what happens when we get there anyway. So we'll head over to Great Yarmouth now, and I'll save my battery until we get there. And we just got into Great Yarmouth, so there's a few bikes coming out, so we might have somewhere to park. But we're now going to head down to the seafront, if these lights ever change. Today would be nice. And all be gone home time we get up there. They'll all be gone time we get there. Yeah, right down the end, yeah. Then turn right, and that's right way along the seafront.
Alright. Don't forget they've got road closures.
Sorry?
Don't forget they've got road closures.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was trying to get to anyway.
Yeah.
But we can get round bollards.
Well, now they've said that the roads that are closed, certain ones will be open for bikes and some won't.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
heavy police presence supposed to be.
yeah. Right, here we are. So,
We park up there, look.
yeah. I just stalled it.
Cycle.
Yeah. We okay here?
You really need to go down there. You've got your blocking an area.
Right.
Turn right. Keep going.
So down here and back.
Down there.
Bugger. This is going to be fun.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, where's he gone? Where did Skeggy go? Let's see where he bloody went.
Go down there, mate.
Let's see him. I don't see Skeggy.
There's a camera! There's a camera!
There's a camera on there, on there. Right, we're now going to have a ride up here. There's still a few people about. It's a little thing. Just having a ride up the seafront. We've taken some photos and we waited for Weggy, but he hasn't shown for one reason or another. So me and Skeggy are going to have a ride up here and then head off home. There's a bit of traffic up here. Perhaps we can't go up that way then. Cheers! All right. Well, we found Weggy. He was sitting up the other side, so we just stopped and had a chat with him. And me and Skeggy are now heading off. We're gonna head back the way we came, and then I'm going to shoot off down the A11 and head down home. And Skeggy's got to head through. He's going to keep going and head back to Skegness. But, yeah, that's been a good day, bloody good day. So right, I'm going to end it here, and ride safe. Talk to you all again soon. Bye for now.